Hi everyone, I'm Steve from Florida Car Wrap and welcome to this new video series for APA films. We try to introduce the film, how to use it, what color they have, and all the technical backgrounds, what we can provide you to make all the works and job easier for you guys. So I came to the US 10 years ago. I did the same business in Europe. I started 24 years ago. I really like to work with cars. That's how we started it. And after we moved to the US 10 years ago, I started to introduce myself to the business, to the market here in the US. And how I did it, I went lots of competitions. Probably I won 10 or 12 competitions all over the States. Even we had a second place with Jim Miller and other two members back in Germany 2 years ago, which was a really good accomplishment. Okay, so after all my success in competitions and in the business, I started to work with different companies, and APA, we came up with a really good system, really good colors, what the other companies didn't carry. So we sit down and we talk about to create this film, and I think it's going to be a really good plus for you guys. Work with all this knowledge what we give you through this series. All right, Christmas is here a little bit earlier. Let's unbox this amazing sample box. What's for free? We have 2 sample books, big samples, 8 by 4 inches, and all the brochures with samples in them, the new release colors, scratch resistant vinyls, the Super Candy series, taillights, the media line, ladder film, the cast printable film, frosted with all the colors, and the architectural with all the samples in it. It's amazing. And all these for free. Okay, let me talk about a little bit from APA. APA is an Italian company, Italian brand, all the vinyl produced in Italy. They opened 1978, so more than 40 years. And all this knowledge, professionalism, and success was behind them. It's amazing. I went there to Milan, where the headquarters is. We went for an APA experience 2 years ago, and it was just fantastic. The company is not too big, it's really small, like a little family. Everybody's really friendly, open-minded, and they listen to the installers. So everything what you notice about the vinyl, positive and negative, you can tell them and they try to fix it. So 2 years ago when I went there, we went through all the plans. They showed us how to create the vinyl, how to create the colors, how produce the vinyl, the backing films, the different textures, how they testing the films. So after this trip in Milan, I decided to work with Mattia at APA here in the US. All these colors like Miami Blue, Sandstorms, the satin and gloss Sandstorms, and all these colors, he created it. That was his vision, and it was a big success. Everybody looking for it, not even here in the US, back in Europe. So they really like it. On this series, we will introduce you all the colors, all the different lines what APA has. So APA has 3 lines: motion, architectural, and a media line. And all these samples, all these colors, all these big samples, what is bigger than usually the swatch books with other brands. This one actually you can put next to the car, so you can see, you can get a better picture of the color, how it looks like in the sun, in the shade, in a different angle, not compared to a really small swatch book. So the motion line has all the new colors what they have. You can see all the big samples of the new colors with a little bit of introduction, technical details. This is the Super Candy series, which is really awesome. You can see in these ones in 4 by 8 inches pieces. These are the scratch resistant carbon fiber and gloss black finish. And you can get a little brochure of the taillight film. I have to tell you, this is the only cast taillight film on the market. It is really awesome, really nice to work with. And the other thing, they have air release in the back, which is awesome. So they have the bright, medium, the dark one, and they have the medium stealth. It's amazing. I used this one for a while, and I think this is the best product that they have. So for this line, they have all the samples, candies, satin, gloss, you name it. And they have all the ultramats, which is amazing. I have a friend of mine, they wrap this green, amazing car. And they have these all textured vinyl. You can get all these for free in the box. The next one is the architectural. It's amazing products. So you get the big 8x4 inches samples. They are scratch resistant textured vinyl that you can use on walls, furnitures, everywhere. And these are all the samples what you can buy from APA. You can see all the thickness, 230 micron. They are really thick. The last one is a media line. They have all the printable vinyls, cast vinyls, what you can use on cars, commercial and custom cars. The platter film, they have lots of colors what you can choose from. And all these colors comes with air release, which really makes it really easy to install. And the next one, I don't even know if I saw anywhere else colored frosted vinyl, which you can create lots of cool design, inside, outside, storefronts. What I really like in APA, especially the car films, that they try to come up with their own colors, the colors what's not on the market. So if you really want a custom car, that's going to be almost one of a kind. And even if you ask for a color, you can call APA in the US and they will help you to figure out or create a new color. So you can have all these what you can see on the table, all the swatch books from the motion line, the architectural line and the media line, all these brochures with the colors inside in it, all the brochure descriptions, everything. You can find all these in this box for free, what you can buy from apafilms.com/sample kit, or everything you can find in the description down below. So after I see all this, I think I go and order one. Okay? See you soon!